Hi everybody, it's Crystal. I hope everybody is doing well today and staying safe. So I just wanted to make a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys something. If you've been following my channel, you probably know that I'm having a huge auction fundraiser for animal welfare, animal rescue this summer, where I'm going to be auctioning off tons and tons of Afghans that I have commissioned out to other crocheter and knitters, which I pay them to do that. And then they're going to ship them back and we're going to auction them off, try to make some money for some animals for the Best Friends Animal Society. So I just want to show you this. I got in the mail today from a yarn company, which I have done a video on before, and I'll put the link to that video in the description box. It's a small yarn mill in New York. It's American-made alpaca, so they have their own alpacas and everything there. Now, it's a very nice yarn company. Their yarn was very, very nice. I actually bought a hat from them. I like it a lot. And gloves too as well. So I'll put a link to that video below. They sent this package here because they wanted to donate a blanket to be auctioned off for animal welfare. And during my auction this summer, I cannot believe how nice that was of them to want to do that. Wasn't that nice? It's, you know, small family business wanting to help. That's super nice. Well, I haven't looked at it yet. Do you guys want to see? I'm super excited. All right. Oh, it's strapped up nicely here. Sorry. My hairbrush. Look at that. Aww. It says, Crystal, best of luck with the auction. Our Valentina throw, that's what this is a mix of alpaca and merino. It's 45 by 63 fringed. I hope people love it, and I hope you raise lots of money. That is very, very nice. Wow. This card has a coupon code on it. I'm going to use that. At their store, they have a couple new colors of yarn that I love. Plus, I love to support small businesses. So, I'll give these to my daughter. She'll like those. She's making Valentine's. Today is 2/3/2023. She's making up Valentine's, so she'll probably stick these on the envelopes. All right, let's look and see what they sent. This is a quick video because, you know, I love to share little random acts of kindness that people do. Spread it, share it. You know, they didn't have to do this. I didn't ask them to do this. And, oh, wow. Look at that. So this is going to be, I'm going to keep that box and put it right back in it. This is going to be auctioned off during my auction. Now, I haven't set a date for the auction, but I have like 30 or 40 Afghans, knitted crochet, and things like that I'm going to be auctioning off. Also, as well as some smaller things that I've made. Maybe some, I don't know, maybe some yarn. I don't know yet, but I'm going to try to raise as much money for animal welfare as possible. And like I said, it's going to the Best Friends Society of the United States. So this is very beautiful. It says American Made Alpaca. That is our website, AmericanMadeAlpaca.com, New York. Check them out, really. They have a lot of nice stuff, not just yarn. A Valentina throw, alpaca, half alpaca, half merino. The color is navy. Hand wash on cool and lay flat. Look at that. It's got a nice little leather tag. Climate beneficial. Imperial yarn, American grown luxury. Now remember, this is just a small yarn company, small yarn mill. And they just kindly offered to donate this to auction off. Wow. That is beautiful. And you know what? Look at that bit of fringe there on the ends. See that? Oh my gosh. This is nice. I'm going to buy one for myself. This is beautiful. Wow, so this one's navy and white. Now I did see these on their site. If you can look there, it's navy. I don't know, it might appear black, but it's not. It's navy blue and white, or kind of creamish white. They did have red, I seen, pretty sure. I think I might get one of these. This is beautiful. So a big thank you. That's so kind of them, wasn't it, to do that? Thank you very much, American Made Alpaca. Remember, small yarn mill in New York. I have purchased their yarn, and I've put it in giveaways, and it's a very nice yarn. And like I said, I have a hat and gloves that I purchased from them that were knitted, and this is beautiful. This is quite a surprise, and I just want to say how much I appreciate you doing this. Like I said, there wasn't anything I asked for. They just out of the blue said they wanted to help my cause and asked if it would be okay if they sent one of these for me to auction off, and I said that would be just fine with me. So that is beautiful and soft. I really, really like that. So thank you so much one more time, American Made Alpaca. Now, if you are interested in watching the video that I made of their yarn, look below in the description box. There'll be a link, and I will let everyone know when the auction is. I know a lot of people are very interested in that auction. It will probably be at the beginning of the summer, because I have to wait on all the Afghan kits to come back that I commissioned out. I don't have any more left to commission out. They've already all been commissioned out, but I have to wait for them all to come back, and then we're gonna make some money for animal rescue. Yep, because on my channel, Bagoday Crochet, that is my, that's my charity of choice. It's always been animal welfare. So, and I've raised thousands of dollars on my time on YouTube for animal welfare, but this is the biggest event that I've ever held, and I'm hoping to make the most money for the Best Friends Society that I've ever made for any other animal organization that I've donated money to. I'm excited, and I hope you guys are excited too. So, very kind, very, very kind gesture. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate it. So, look for that in the auction this summer, the beginning, whenever I get all them Afghans back, okay? Bye, guys.